Asterisk stop. Before you spend another $1 on a baking sheet, watch this. I tested 20 plus pans in 2026, from nonstick disasters to warped metal junk. Most top-rated sheets? They fail in 3 months. But 3 of the 5 I'm about to show you? They're nearly indestructible. And one of them is under $15. Stick with me, because the #1 pick will change how you bake forever. Oh, and all product links are in the description. Let's go. Asterisk. Number 1. Checkered Chef Aluminum Sheet and Rack. The 18 inches by 13 inches Checkered Chef Aluminum Sheet and Rack set comes from a small Australian company and is a set that thoroughly impressed our testers with its consistent and quality results. We baked numerous batches of cookies on the aluminum pan, and no matter where they were placed on the sheet, they came out practically perfect from the oven. We consistently and evenly roasted proteins and vegetables without charring or burning food on the edges of the sheet. Baked goods and marinades don't cling to the sheet's aluminum surface, so cleanup is a cinch. It's a versatile size for roasting or baking and is easy to clean in a regular-sized kitchen sink. The pan's 1-inch depth is just right for sheet cakes, which also released easily without sticking to the base of the pan in our testing. The biggest setback we found with this pan is its tendency to warp at higher temperatures, though after it cooled, it returned to normal. We also appreciate the included cooling rack. If you want an awesome baking sheet that can also roast perfectly, be sure to check out the Checkered Chef set. The perfect combo for cooking is here. Use this aluminum cookie sheet and pan rack for healthier, drip-free meals or bake your favorite treat. This stainless steel sheet pan rack is designed for every situation, whether you're putting it on the oven or cooling down some cookies. Goodbye to burnt bottoms. Our baking tray set allows for superior heat conductivity and the rolled edges provide extra strength to prevent warping. Number 2. USA Pan Quarter Sheet. If you're looking for a sturdy, non-stick pan, look no further than the USA Pan Quarter Sheet pan. This pan has a nice weight and does not flex in hand or warp in the oven, even at high temperatures, including a 450-degree convection roast. Our testers' cookies, biscuits, and chicken nuggets, kid-friendly food, all came out of the oven evenly baked and golden brown, with no burning. When testing the USA pan, we noticed that some baked goods required a few more minutes in the oven than the recipe instructed. For example, our chocolate cookie recipe stated 12 to 15 minutes at 325 convection bake and took 18 minutes. We experienced the opposite during roasting, with many foods cooking up to 1/3 faster than the suggested cooking times. However, the food was fairly evenly roasted with minimal charring at the edges of the pan. The USA Pan Extra Large or 3/4 baking sheet pan lets you maximize your baking with a generous surface area, so you can whip up large batches of homemade cookies, roast veggies for a crowd or make the most of one-sheet pan dinners. Our baking sheet pans feature a unique corrugated surface which provides air circulation all around for better browning, more even baking and super easy release. The extra-large cookie sheet surface is finished with USA Pan's proprietary Americoat nonstick coating, a nonstick silicone which allows the easy release of baked goods from the pan and makes cleanup a breeze. USA Pan Bakeware is made with aluminized steel, the material of choice for commercial bakeries. Steel for maximum strength and long-term durability and aluminum for superior heat conductivity. Our sheet pans are finished with a steel wire in the rim, which provides extra strength and further resistance to warping. Do not exceed 450 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius. Please note, our bakeware conducts heat efficiently, which may require you to reduce the time and temperature as necessary. Hand wash nonstick bakeware in warm water with mild dishwashing soap using a sponge, rinse and dry thoroughly. Do not place in dishwasher. We recommend using only silicone, nylon or wooden utensils. Do not use sharp metal utensils. Number 3. Goodcook Nonstick Bakeware Set of 3. If you're looking for a basic set of sheet pans in a variety of sizes, the Goodcook Nonstick Bakeware Set is worth a look. This set of nonstick steel pans has 3 sizes ranging from 13 inches by 9 inches to 17 inches by 11 inches, meaning you can pick the right size pan for the job. Most nonstick surface pans that are darker gray in color tend to brown foods more quickly. However, of the 3 dark gray nonstick pans we tested, the Goodcook baked the most evenly and did not brown the bottoms of our baked goods as quickly as the other pans tested. Roasted vegetables do not stick to the pan, but foods roasted at temperatures above 425 degrees convection did cook faster than recommended times. The nonstick surface is easy to clean up and washes easily with just soap and water for most foods. One of the biggest pitfalls of this pan are the shallow sides, making it hard to pick up and set down with oven mitts on. Easily bake your favorite treats right every time with the Goodcook nonstick cookie sheet set. This 3-piece set includes 13 inches by 9 inches, 15 inches by 10 inches, and 17 inches by 11 inches baking sheets, which are perfect for cookies, biscuits, pastries, and more. Each pan is made from heavy-duty carbon steel that resists warping and promotes even heat distribution, making sure you get consistent results and perfectly baked goods every time, for a long time. The superior, metal utensil-safe nonstick coating, featuring Goodcook's exclusive nonstick formula, allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, while the rolled rim design adds durability and style. Whether you're baking for family or prepping for a big event, this versatile set has you covered. Number 4. Nordic Ware Naturals Big. We had mixed results with the highly rated Nordic Ware Naturals Big baking sheet in our testing. We began with roasting proteins and vegetables and were surprised to hear popping from the 425-degree convection oven as soon as we closed the door. The pan is 20-gauge uncoated natural aluminum and warped in the oven, but it went back into place as it cooled. We had the same experience each time we roasted at temperatures above 400 degrees. After 6 uses, we could easily pop the surface of the pan with our hands. In baking, the bottoms of our cookies and biscuits browned very quickly, and our chocolate chip cookies took 3 minutes longer than the suggested time. During roasting, our cooking times were on par with recipes, however, glazes and marinades easily burnt onto the pan. Luckily, most easily scrubbed off with a non-abrasive sponge. This Nordic Ware pan is the largest we tested and is quite large for home use. We think it's a more appropriate size for a commercial kitchen. Make mega batches of cookies and bars with this extra large sheet pan. Fits all standard size ovens. 35% larger surface than the half sheet. Our commercial-duty Naturals Bakeware is made of even heating, rust-proof aluminum and features a galvanized steel reinforcement around the rims for added strength. Bakers agree that aluminum bakes best. Hand wash cleaning only. Made in the USA. Nylon, wood, or silicone utensils are recommended. Metal utensils and scouring pads may scratch natural aluminum pans, but will not affect baking performance. Pan exterior dimensions 21 by 15 by 1 inches and inner dimension L 19.50 W 13.50 H 1.00 inches. Use and care. 1. Before initial use and after subsequent uses, hand wash with warm, soapy water. 2. Dishwasher use is not advised, as discoloration will occur due to the cleaning agents used in automatic dishwasher detergent. Number 5. Circulon Total Bakeware Nonstick Cookie Sheet Set. Integrated handles make rotating and removing the Circulon Total Bakeware Cookie Sheet set from the oven easily, and food slides off the pan's nonstick surface, even sticky honey-glazed nuts. During our baking tests, our baked goods were all done at the recommended times, but the bottoms of our cookies and biscuits were a bit darker than on other pans. We found foods roasted at temperatures below 350 degrees to cook evenly without charring. However, when our oven temperature was at 375 degrees or higher, foods at the edges of the pan tended to char while the food in the middle of the pan did not. Overall, our testers like the weight of the pan and how easily it cleans up, but we feel it is best used at temperatures below 350 degrees. Transform the kitchen into a high-efficiency baking center with the Circulon Nonstick Bakeware 2-piece bakeware set. These sheet pans for baking are a practical nonstick cookie pan set that includes 2 10-inch by 15-inch cookie pans, so it's easier than ever to bake one batch of chocolate chip cookies while you set another batch up for the oven during everyday baking. Heavy-duty carbon steel bake pan construction provides uniform heat distribution for even baking results and consistent baking results, and rolled edges on the cookie pans offer extra strength with long-lasting warp resistance. That's the list, 5 baking sheets that actually survive 2026. Did your favorite make it? Comment below. And listen, every link you need, prices, deals, where to buy, is waiting for you in the description. If this helped, smash like, share it with someone who burns cookies, and subscribe so you don't miss our 2026 kitchen gear tests. Next week, we're testing air fryer liners, and one brand is dangerously bad. See you there.